Hi, I'm Barry Feynman, creator of the original Scratch Be Gone system, your first aid kit for stainless steel. And today I'm excited to bring you our newly designed Scratch Be Gone Homeowner Kit.
Barry, what does it remove?
You know, Amanda, Scratch Be Gone is pretty remarkable. It'll take off anything from light chemical stains all the way to deep scratches.
How is this product different from other stainless steel products out there?
Scratch Be Gone started this revolution and is still the only product to do full restoration services for the consumer.
Is it easy to use? Can I use this by myself?
It's very easy to use. You can follow a straight line. You can take out scratches yourself. Let me show you how. In our kit we have a variety of pads. These are non-woven pads that have minerals built into them that cut stainless steel. This is our light duty pad. This will do chemical stains, light discoloration, light scuffs. Our brown pad is more aggressive, again a non-woven, has a deeper mineral. This will do deeper scratches that are stubborn to the gray pad. When we have a fingernail scratch or a scratch that's very stubborn and resistant to removal, we have a deep scratch repair process. And we use these pads, this particular one, over our finger to do renovation, and then we follow it up with this pad here. Then these pads are applied to our patented handle. You put them over the horns here, we pull them back over and turn the turnstile, locking in the pad, like such. We also have a true metal test strip. Scratch Be Gone can only be worked on or used on raw metal that it does not have a coating. This is a litmus paper test. We take it out of the bag, we put it onto the surface of the metal, and by rubbing it on the surface, it turns black. And as long as it turns black, that tells us that we have raw metal and that we're good to go. If it stays clear, that means we stay clear because it's not safe for us to work on. At the heart of the Scratch Be Gone system is UltraShine. This is our water-soluble, non-toxic, non-corrosive product, but it allows for the lubrication of the grits and abrasives over the surface that we're working, but also allows for the oxidation of the newly restored surface to match the surrounding area, so we don't have that proverbial blotch spot in the middle. Our kit also comes with a microfiber towel for the cleaning and wiping down during the process. And that's all there is to it. Okay, so I've pre-assembled the gray pad because I can't feel them with my fingernail, and it's a very light scratch, so I'm going to make the first assumption that I can do it with my gray pad. First thing I want to do again is reassure myself that this is a non-coated surface. So I'm going to take this pad and see what happens. It turns black. That tells me that it's a raw metal and I'm good to go. We take the UltraShine in our kit. We take the liner out of the cap, which I've already pre-done. Take the disc cap and we're going to put some on this pad here in a pattern of an S. So we have an S pattern of liquid on here. We don't need much. Now we have a choice. The grain is going up and down in this situation. We call that a vertical grain. Either we're going to go up and down with this tool this way, or we can go up and down with this tool sideways. Obviously that covers more territory at one time. So I'm going to go very gently at first, and we're going to see what happens. And what we're doing is we're going to cut new metal, which should erase the scratch. I just want to go gently, maybe a half a dozen times, and see what happens. As long as I'm making good progress with this pad, I'm going to stay with it. If it didn't make any change, I would go to the brown pad and come back to this gray pad. Now I'm going to take Barry's Stainless Steel Rescue, and I'm going to put some on our towel that I'm using. It's always a preference to put it on the towel as opposed to put it on the metal. And I'm going to wipe this down and we're going to see what we have when it's all done. And from here, it looks very good. Thank you for watching. To check out our exciting new rescue line of products, please visit our website at barrysrestoreitall.com.